Best Affiliate Marketing Course. Are you looking for the best affiliate marketing course? Are you interested in generating additional income from the comfort of your own home? Affiliate marketing is becoming increasingly popular as a way to make money online, and with more and more people turning to affiliate programs, it is essential that you have the right training. Fortunately, there are a variety of courses available that can help you get started in this lucrative field. Affiliate marketing is a booming industry, and for good reason. It provides an opportunity for individuals to earn passive income by promoting products they believe in. However, many people struggle to break into the world of affiliate marketing due to a lack of knowledge and guidance. That's where an affiliate marketing course comes in. An affiliate marketing course can provide you with the tools you need to succeed in this competitive industry. From understanding how to choose the right products to promote to creating effective promotional content and building your audience, a comprehensive course covers all aspects of affiliate marketing. An investment in an affiliate marketing course can pay dividends as it allows you to fast-track your learning curve and start earning money quickly. The benefits of taking an affiliate marketing course don't stop there either. You'll also have access to a community of like-minded individuals who are on the same journey as you. There has never been a better time to be seriously considering being an internet marketing affiliate, especially since the COVID-19 global pandemic that economists are now foreseeing financial market doom just around the corner. Get in while you still can and yield vast amounts of leads and commissions from virtually hundreds of affiliate partners to choose from. Click the link in the description below to get in on the best affiliate marketing course on the market and get started with affiliate marketing now.